Good morning, party people. That is the view, the jungle outside of the hotel I stay in. Yes, I'm still in New York City, but I'm leaving here in about 2 hours. Headed to Pennsylvania, going to connect with Rebecca, a few other people in Eastern PA. Man, had a great time. I also forgot to post a video yesterday. I got busy, knew yesterday was going to be a busy day, ran off, forgot to post a video. So hope you enjoyed the video today. If today's video is not too long, I'll double up. After PA, be headed into Maryland and going on my journey. So I had a pretty good day yesterday. Met a few people that I've been wanting to meet for a while. Had some homemade special melon from, I think it was China, and also had some good pizza a couple days ago with Pasquale, and it's just been a great time. Hung out with my buddy Manny for a few minutes yesterday and got to see George again. Got his AC kicked off and going on his 850. So man, don't be shy. If you're around, you need me to check something out. No job is too small, and some jobs are kind of big, but I'll help if I can. So thanks for watching. Headed out of New York, but I'll probably be back in about 6 months. Got some more stuff going on. Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert. That's me. This video contains things that I tinker with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. This video also has tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. So, thank you very much for watching. Getting off today, going to check out George's GLT. Man, vent shades, pretty 601 red. Got some Swedish flair there. Man, this car looks like it's got some potential. Man, I know somebody's got some wheels for this thing. If you want some wheels for it, let me see what he's got going on. Look like somebody's taking care of this thing at one time. I just left George. He had a nice looking 97 850 GLT. That 601 red, man. It's hard to beat that. He went to the DC area to pick that thing up, and he's going to beat it in shape. He had a radiator hose break off at the radiator awning top hose. He said he stopped that car immediately, got it towed the rest of the way home. He wasn't trying to blow no head. Just needs your normal 850 stuff, but it's a beautiful car. He going to replace the heater core. He's got to get a radiator next day or two. He's got a few other things he's got going on, so he's rolling. He said he likes those 850s. Now I'm headed down into Brooklyn here. I'm going to try to help Gregory with his SAS code, and so he can pass inspection. Maybe pull that dash, put a check engine light bulb in that thing so he can know when the check engine light system has been activated. It's a mess when you ain't even got a bulb in there. But we'll see what he wants to do. Then I'm going to head over into New Jersey, pick up a dash for Brandon, meet my buddy Kyle and Audrey, see what else I get into for the day ends. We're going to check this out, P410, and get this car to pass emissions, fix the check engine light, a couple other things. So we're going to pull the computer right now. That's what the inside of your ECU looks like, folks. After a 20-minute ride, my coolant temp is totally normal. My oil temp is only about 190. Here we go, boys. Look at there. Woohoo! Get me some limo action here in the big New York. Uh-oh, gotta hit that button right there.
Hold it.
I hold it in?
Hold it is gonna recline you.
Oh, it's moving that one out of the way. All right. Moving that front seat. Uh-oh, I feel some action under my feet here.
Yeah.
extending out my legs. Oh yeah. Got some blue light action under there. Oh yeah. Now I'm relaxed. Now we can get to the next destination. Another way to get this climate control system out without hurting yourself is to pull the radio, reach up behind there, and massage this up and down until it breaks loose in the dash. You normally can see it and hear it break its little seal, and then you can push it out without cutting yourself. So you grab the back of it and massage it up and down, and it'll break the seal around it. Then you pop the left side out, pop the right side out, and pull it out, unplug it. I'm here with Brandon's 95 850. Had an accident, busted all the mounts across. So anytime you have an accident, you gotta replace all these mounts. We pulled the cluster, fixed some light bulbs, and corrected the mileage on it. Now I'm ready to pull the steering wheel so we can lift the dash out away from it. Need to get this center console out. I got all the screws out. Just need to lift it up and unplug it. Isn't that just an awesome view? Having that dash torn out. Wonderful. Got a brand new windshield. Man, they even tried to pull the stickers over. Aren't they special? Let me get the wire harness for the dash swapped over so I can keep this train rolling. Everything back together. He's gonna get a new dash pan. We are rocking and rolling. Look at that parking. 15 minutes, I fit right in. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.